Megan Myers in Town and Country for us. Thank you. With today being the start of hurricane season, do you have a plan? Forecasters are predicting a more active season. 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio is live at the Hurricane Expo in St. Petersburg. Miguel, they've got some important supplies there that you should be stocking up on as well, right?
Absolutely, Josh. And these are supplies you should already have in your home. But if you do need some help, the St. Pete Fire and Rescue Team is helping out at the expo where you can stock up on some of those supplies. So the idea here is to grab one of these bags and stock up some of these items, including we have batteries, ready meals for you, flashlights, guides to know your evacuation zones, just simple things that can really make a big difference. Bottom line, just have a plan is their message, and it's something the city of Tampa also stressed today. Today they unveiled some of their equipment meant to save you in some of these incidents, including a high water rescue vehicle. Tampa Electric also sharing it's invested $120 million to strengthen power poles and trim tree limbs to keep power lines open. The company says it's also installing self-healing technology that should automatically isolate outages and routes power around the problem without sending a worker into the field. But again, leaders say you can't rely on rescuers alone. You need to have a plan yourself.
We've been blessed for a century, but if one were to hit, we have to ensure that everyone is prepared. You've got to take a level of personal responsibility and prepare yourself and your family.
And speaking of evacuation zones, many of this have changed throughout the area. A lot of the red has expanded in the St. Pete, Pinellas County area, in Tampa Bay and Hillsborough. Seminole Heights and East Tampa have areas that are now included for the first time. So things to keep in mind. Bottom line, just have a plan. We do have numbers for you to call and resources to check out so you can stay safe throughout these next 6 months.
So important to know your zone, Miguel, especially given those changes he was just talking about.